Welcome to the Pariksha Academy. Today's topic is inland drainage. Inland drainage. Inland drainage refers to a drainage system in which a river or stream does not reach the sea but terminates within an inland basin, lake, marshy area, sandy tract or saline depression. It is also known as internal or closed drainage. Water within such a drainage system has no direct surface outlet to an ocean. In India, inland drainage is mainly developed in western Rajasthan and adjoining arid and semi-arid regions. The Aravalli Range acts as an important water divide in Rajasthan. In many areas to its west and northwest, a well-developed permanent drainage system reaching the sea has not developed. Low and highly variable rainfall is a major cause of inland drainage. Many streams carry significant water only during the rainy season. High temperatures and intense evaporation rapidly reduce surface water, making it difficult for rivers to maintain continuous flow over long distances. Sandy and relatively permeable surfaces allow part of the river water to infiltrate into the ground. Consequently, many small streams gradually disappear within desert areas. In closed basins with very gentle slopes, water accumulates in local depressions instead of flowing towards an external outlet. Seasonal and ephemeral streams are characteristic of inland drainage regions. Their discharge varies considerably according to rainfall. In many inland basins of Rajasthan, water accumulates in depressions and contributes to the formation of saline lakes. Sambhar Lake is one of the most important saline lakes associated with inland drainage in India. Several small seasonal streams supply water to it. Didwana, Pachpatra and Loonkaranser are other saline lakes and depressions associated with the internal drainage and arid environment of Rajasthan. These lakes have little or no external drainage. Intense evaporation removes water while dissolved salts remain behind, gradually increasing salinity. The Ghaggar is an important seasonal river. Its flow weakens as it moves through Haryana towards the arid regions of Rajasthan, and under present conditions it does not reach the sea. The Ghaggar channel is also important in studies of paleodrainage and ancient river systems, but hypotheses about its ancient course should be distinguished from its present drainage characteristics. The Luni is the most important river system of western Rajasthan. It originates in the Aravalli region near Ajmer and flows southwestwards. The Luni flows through the arid regions of Rajasthan towards the Rann of Kutch. Instead of reaching the open sea directly, it terminates in the marshy and saline environment of the Rann. The water of the Luni is relatively less saline in its upper course, while salinity generally increases downstream because of high evaporation and the saline character of the surrounding terrain. The Javai, Sukri, Bandi and Jojari are important tributaries of the Luni river system. The Luni basin displays important characteristics of inland and semi-inland drainage in the transitional region between the western Aravallis and the Thar Desert. Some streams in inland drainage regions develop identifiable channels but eventually disappear into sand, while others terminate in local depressions and playa lakes. A playa is a shallow closed depression in an arid region where water may temporarily accumulate after rainfall. After evaporation, a saline surface may remain. Several saline lakes of Rajasthan are associated with such closed depressions, arid climatic conditions and high rates of evaporation. Inland drainage is not completely static. During exceptionally wet years, normally dry streams may flow over greater distances and temporarily connect local drainage basins. Short-duration floods can occur after intense rainfall in arid regions because sparse vegetation and rapid surface runoff may produce sudden increases in stream discharge. Because surface water resources are limited in inland drainage regions, groundwater and traditional water harvesting systems such as tanks and tankas have considerable importance. Accumulation of salts in closed basins can affect agricultural land and groundwater quality. Drainage and salinity management are therefore important geographical challenges in arid regions. Inland drainage is closely related to desert geomorphology. Low rainfall, high evaporation, sandy surfaces and gentle relief together restrict the development of external drainage. The area under inland drainage in India is limited compared with the enormous river basins draining towards the oceans, but it is highly significant for understanding the physical geography of Rajasthan. For examination purposes, inland drainage should be associated with rivers that do not reach the sea, arid climate, high evaporation, seasonal streams, closed basins and saline lakes. For map-based study, particular attention should be given to western Rajasthan, the Aravalli Water Divide, the Luni Basin, the lower Ghaggar region, Sambhar Lake and other important saline depressions. Thank you very much for joining us. For more useful study material, please like and share this video, and subscribe to the Pariksha Academy channel.